Thanksgiving, and of course that's a special time of year.
Oh, it's special.
You know, what we're thankful for. So what are you thankful for? That's kind of an interesting thought.
Yeah. First of all, the biggest thing for me is that I'm in America.
Yeah.
I think people should be so thankful just for the fact of being born here. And I came after 40 already, and I'm just, every time I think this is the biggest blessing I've ever had. Another thing, I think that the majority of people have lots of things to be thankful for, right? And we are blessed with families, with great environment, and with many, many, many things. But the point is, it's easy to be grateful when you have everything, right? It's easy.
That's true.
But maybe more difficult, but more effective to be thankful for something you want to be true in your life, want to appear. And it's possible when you're thankful for something you want to manifest, but you don't have it yet. It will come. You will manifest it. Why don't be thankful for great opportunities we have, for the, well, in my alley, for the great choice of food? Isn't it an opportunity to have a right to choose something that makes you healthier, that makes you more energetic, that allows you to serve beautiful Thanksgiving dinner, right? I think it's a great thing that we maybe don't appreciate, but we should. We definitely should.
Yeah, it's very well said. I mean, you can't add more to that. And yet the fact that you can share this with friends and family.
Yes, yes,
and
yes,
that great philosophy you have, that's so good. It's always such a positive philosophy.
Yes, it's positive. I think I am positive.
And you've had a long,
you too.
You've had a long journey. I mean, you started off in Siberia, Russia.
Yes, yes. I changed 3 continents
and then you
three countries and 3.
You went to Israel, and
yes.
then you came to America.
Yes,
became a citizen, and you're so proud of that. And
great
we're proud of you. So
thank
that's
you.
really good.
Thank you.